Hi, this is Deka Ihani Chukwu, and I'm trying to reach out to all the conscious brothers and sisters who are still searching and hungry for the truth. I will be moving around Europe. I'll be speaking on the issue of religion. I'll be speaking concerning the scriptures, both the Bible and the Quran. I will also be talking about ancient histories, where they have been tampered, the errors, and today what actually made it look as if it is forged, where they planted things and how it should have been. So we've been doing researches for years now, and as grace would have it, we've been able to get the real prints, and we've now come to understand why and how things has been changed. And I'll be talking on it, and I'll be exposing every plot that was done in darkness. So if you really want to be part of this, if you want to understand who you are, if you want to understand what you worship, if you want to understand what is religion, or if there are anything like true faith, true worship, and if you want to understand the history of mankind, I mean how it all began, where we started, I will encourage you to be at any of this meeting. I will be in Madrid first weekend of August. First weekend of October. I will be in Madrid, first weekend of October. Second weekend of October, I will be in France, Paris. I will be in France, Paris. Then the third weekend of the same October, I will be in Netherlands, Amsterdam. The fourth weekend of October, I will be in Frankfurt, Germany. So if you live around any of these areas, you can join us. The time and venue will be made known for those who will call, because the meeting we are having is a special one. The seats are limited, and we intend to make it exclusive only for those that really need to understand or know the truth. The scriptures are written in a language that if you don't understand the language, you won't know what we are saying. So everything will be exposed, will be brought to your knowledge, will be made plain to you. So you can call this number +34 602 866 889 for more information, for bookings, for your tickets, because we are going to screen those that will be there. It is those that need it. It is those that need it. So I'm sending this message out. If you are interested, I will be speaking in Madrid at the first weekend of October. I will be speaking at Madrid. At the second weekend of October, I will be speaking in Paris, France. At the third weekend of October, I will be speaking in Amsterdam, Netherlands. The fourth weekend of October, I will be speaking in Frankfurt, Germany. On the 11th and 13th of August, I will be in Sweden, Stockholm. I'll be speaking there for 3 days, the same seminar. If you are interested, if you want to be part of it, if you want to understand the truth behind every history, what has been covered, how it is, be at any of this meeting. I will be in Sweden at the second weekend of August, next month. But it is too short, so I'm giving you people opportunity to organize yourself. At the first weekend of October, the second weekend of October, the third weekend of October, I will still be moving around Europe. The fourth weekend of October, that will be Frankfurt. I will still be in Europe. I will be speaking on these things, the truth behind the scriptures, the lies behind the scriptures, the covered lies, the hidden truths. Everything will come out of the open. If you are a pastor, if you are an imam, if you are a believer of any sort, be at this meeting. Come with your hard questions. Whatever it is, come. I will prove you. I will show you evidence. I will show you facts. I'm not there to argue. I am there to open your eyes and show you things that you've not known, things they've not told you. Everything they've covered from you, they've hidden from you, they've tried to, dodge from you. I will bring them out of the open. You will see with your eyes. So be at this meeting. If you are conscious, if you really want to know what is the foundation of every faith, come be at this meeting. If you want to know how humanity began, be at this meeting. If you want to know what is the genesis of all this problem, be at this meeting. You are expected to be there. Once you are there, you will see that you will live. When you live, you will live loaded. You will live well informed, not misinformed. You will live educated. That is the meeting is all about. I will show you the ancient writings, the first language, the foundational language, from what language every other language came out of. And I will prove it to you. I will use both your own scripture, the historical books, to prove it to you that the same people who were the pharaohs were the same people that are also the prophets and whatever. They are the same people, the same people, the same people. Every story in this world is centered on this particular people. And if you want to know who they are, if you want to know what they are and where they are, be at this meeting. You will be glad you did. Once again, this is Deka Onyezara Ihani Chukwu. Be at this meeting. Like I said, I will be in Madrid first weekend of October. I will be in Paris second weekend of October. I will be in Netherlands, Amsterdam third weekend of October, and I will be in Germany, Frankfurt, fourth weekend of October. But I will also be in Sweden in this August. I'm going to be in Sweden second weekend. From the 11th to the 13th, I will be speaking. From the 11th to the 13th in Stockholm, I will be speaking. If you can make it to Sweden, to Stockholm, call this number. Call this number. 0034 654 976 818. Or you call the previous number I gave you. 0034 602 866 889. You will be glad you attended these meetings.